To verify your YouTube account, for that, firstly, we need to go to the YouTube. After that, you need to tap on the profile here and make sure you have switched to the correct account. In my case, I'm switching my account. So from here, I switch to this account. And from there, after switching over that, again, you need to tap on the profile, which is in the right side here. And you need to go to the YouTube Studio. So in that list of options, you could find YouTube Creator Studio and it will take you to the page where you could access your channel. So from there, you need to scroll down to find the settings here, which is in the left side. So tap on the settings. It will give you the default options. So from there, you need to tap on the channel here. After that, you need to go to the feature eligibility, which is the third option here. And from there, you need to go to intermediate features, which is the second option. So from there, you need to tap on verify phone number here. Let's say I'm tapping over there and now I could type in my phone number here. Now I have typed my phone number and I will get a code to that. So now I need to enter that code for that. Let's say I'm entering that code now. I'm tapping on next again. Now you could see I have received the code. Now I'm entering that code here. Now I'm tapping on submit. Here you could see that phone number verification has done. Now you need to go to the channel and again tap on the channel here, go to feature eligibility. Here you could see intermediate features has been enabled and you need to tap on that. Here you could see the phone number has been verified and your YouTube account too. This is how you verify your YouTube account. Thank you.